Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Auburn, local, and long-distance movers near me. We offer the best professional long-distance moving solutions to help make your move so much easier. Whether you're moving just one state over or you need assistance to move across the country, we're here to assist you. By using the right moving services to assist you, any type of relocation, large or small, becomes so much simpler. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, our company provides all the options you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company might seem unnecessary originally. However, following a close look at the major advantages of working with a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. A reliable moving company is going to help you save time regardless of how far you're going. Movers can also make sure you don't need to manage any of the heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move extremely easy. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. A move that may take you all weekend to execute, we can manage in just one afternoon. If you want to hire a reliable Auburn moving company, you will want to call us now. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Auburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.